Hello there, how are you doing? Now in this video you're going to learn about targeting HTML elements using a jQuery selector. Okay, so before we do that, if you notice, our buttons are not actually looking like buttons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this default name. Okay, I use find and replace. So I'm going to change this default to primary. Okay, replace all. Save it, and hopefully we get the they'll look better now. So in our index.js, as you can see, we have this document ready. So every time you're going to write any jQuery, you will start with $ and parentheses. Okay, this is how you do everything in jQuery. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to target all the elements in the document with the name of button, and then what I want to do is I want to add class. Okay, add class, and I give a certain class name here. And what this will do is it will take all the items from the document with this name, which is button, and then it will add another class to it. Okay, so now before we add any other class, what I can do is I can quickly go to the animate.css, and then we can use that class name so that we can see how it works. Okay, instead of writing it down, animate css cdn, let's search for that one. Okay, and then let's take this minified version, copy, and what I can do is I can go to index, and then in the head section here I create another link, and let's paste in here. Alright, so now we can use this animate CSS. It comes with lots of classes. Okay, so we can use one of those classes. So what I can do is one of the class we get with animate.css is animated, and then another class is bounce. Save, and then if you go to the web page and give it a try, as you can see, it bounced because we applied this new class to all the elements button. It's pretty cool, right? So this is much easier than working with a vanilla JavaScript before. Target the element, get element by ID, query selector of button. So we could use, if we had to use this in vanilla JavaScript, we would do query selector, all the selector with the class name of button, and then we could set class. Okay, so you could create your own class name and add to it, but we use this animate.css CDN, so we can start testing and have fun. All right, so in this case we selected everything with the name with this name button, right? But what if we want to select a certain elements with the class name of button or ID name of button or something unique, right? So how do we do that? We'll cover that in the next lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.